could go up this. This is one of those Morton nails. Did he, is that one I did before? It's a pretty good sized hill. Pretty steep. Yeah. Let's give this one a go. This is a little sketchy, a little off camber. Off camber, steep. That was not pretty. There's really no run up there. I'm gonna go down it though. Did not make it. So I slid on that. That's my problem. Alright. Back it down. Turns out that little uphill run is pretty rocky. Yeah. But you can see by the angle of my bike, the steepness of this thing. All right, one more time, man. Aim true, aim true. Hello, London. Nice. Nicely done. Take it back down. We'll call that cleaned.